Hey Travel Daddy crew, we're back at it again. This time in Costa Maya, Mexico. Welcome to Yaya Beach Club, where the drinks are cold, the vibes are on point, and relaxation is pretty much mandatory. I went for the all-inclusive package, which means unlimited drinks and some seriously good food. Spoiler alert, I made the most of it. First stop, the bar, of course. Gotta kick things off right. And I started with a margarita because, well, it's Mexico, and from here on out, the drinks just kept coming. Now this is what I call a beach setup. Comfy lounge chairs, toes in the sand, and a front row seat to paradise. Let me tell you, this place knows how to do relaxation right. At this point, I was a couple margaritas in. Okay, maybe 3. But hey, it's all inclusive. You gotta get your money's worth, right? Now, let's talk food, because what's an all-inclusive experience without some serious eats? I went for the steak and chicken combo fajitas, and let me tell you, they did not disappoint. Juicy, flavorful, and exactly what I needed after a few rounds at the bar. If you're stopping by Yaya Beach, definitely go for the fajitas. So what's the final verdict on Yaya Beach Club? It's got everything you need for a perfect beach day. Great drinks, solid food, and a laid-back vibe that makes you want to stay forever. And if this looks like the kind of beach day you need in your life, good news. You can reserve your spot in advance. I've got the link in the description somewhere below. Click it, lock in your all-inclusive day, and thank me later. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, like and subscribe for more travel vibes from Travel Daddy.